And that's the moment when I realize that the background doesn't work and I need to do it again. Yay! Hi there, my name is Mark, I'm a graphic designer and content creator fallen in love with 80s, synthwave, retro and cyberpunk. In this video I'll explain how I achieved this piece of art. Do you remember Batman Beyond TV series with Dark Knight and the cyberpunk future? I love that show, it was a perfect and natural continuation of beloved Batman animated series, so I decided to create an artwork with more movie and game vibes. Design was inspired heavily also by Blade Runner and Cyberpunk 2077. Before I get to the details, YouTube cliché line. If you are new on this channel, please click subscribe and that will make you to stay up to date with all my new videos and at the same time will help me to grow this channel. Cheers for that, now let's move forward, shall we? So this time instead of speed art, I'll explain step by step what I did here. Or maybe I should say layer by layer. I'll be honest with you, I had a difficult time of finishing this piece of art. I got a plan, rough sketch, but I changed some major pieces through the process, and you know what, that's okay to improve some things if it helps overall final design to look better at the end. Those changes messed up my video for YouTube, but I'm proud with final graphic and that's the most important thing. Okay guys, to the details now. I used as a background this particular shade of red. I used this sky from FreePic, all links will be in the description down below. Then I changed the blend mode and turned it into a black and white. Some fog in the background using smoke brushes. Moon on the top, cut it from the picture. I've put a few buildings. Those with original daylight had to be treated with color lookup layer to match with nighttime. I used the black and white adjustment layers and I added the same color like in the background. Some more fog between them and the lights on the buildings treated with white color, glow and some other layer options. Geisha on the top of the main buildings is mixed with LED panel. All Japanese words were created also with glows, white color and a little bit of shadow. Ray of lights were added from vector resources on FreePic. Rooftop was taken from 3D resources on Envato Elements, which is cool because you can rotate the object in basically every direction to get the right angle. Also, link in the description. To make it work with the rest of the image I adjusted exposure, color lookup, hue and saturation and the same color on the top. And finally, main star of this art, Batman. So it's a figure from Sideshow, you can find some pictures with other cool poses of Batman Beyond on their website. I had to adjust color lookup, hue and saturation and I added the same theme color. The cherry on the top is always camera raw filter. Here you can see what type of things I mixed here to achieve this particular effect. And that's it, a final piece. Honestly, I'm really happy with this one. I would love to see Batman Beyond on the big screen. That would be amazing, don't you think? I hope that this material was helpful for you. Feel free to check out the rest of my content. Click subscribe, leave a like if you appreciate my artwork and drop me a comment down below with your opinions or any suggestions. That will help me to deliver the better content every time. I appreciate you, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Good night.